Many people online say Bluevine is the best business bank for small businesses, but is that actually true? Now, I've been using Bluevine for a full year now, and in this video, I'll break down the good, the bad, and whether I would really recommend it. Before I get into the pros and cons, here's why I even switched to Bluevine in the first place. At the time, I had a couple of business bank accounts with traditional banks. Every month, I was paying fees just to keep the accounts open, or I had to keep thousands of dollars sitting there just to avoid those fees. And on top of that, the money wasn't earning me anything. That's when I started looking around for other options. Bluevine stood out because they don't charge any monthly fees, the sign-up process is fast, and it can be done entirely online. And they actually pay a decent interest on your balance. So I decided to give it a try. Now, after a full year of using it for my business, here's what I've learned. The first big pro for me is the money saved in fees. With Bluevine, there are no monthly maintenance fees. You don't get hit with any overdraft fees if that ever happens, and there are no transaction limits, so you're not charged extra for using your accounts too much. And if you stick to the in-network ATMs, you don't pay any ATM fees either. Compared to what I was paying at my old banks, it's a night and day difference. This is one of the main reasons I switched, and honestly, that's what makes Bluevine stand out from most traditional business banks. The next pro is how easy it was to get started. With my old banks, opening a new business bank account means calling a banker, setting up an appointment, and wasting hours at the branch. With Bluevine, the whole sign-up process took me less than 10 minutes online, and I was approved the next day. On top of that, they make it super easy to set up sub-accounts. For example, if I want a separate account for taxes, payroll, or even just an emergency fund, I can create one instantly from my dashboard, each with its own account number. In fact, I was able to set up a sub-account just to receive ACH payments from a client, so I didn't even have to share my main account number. It felt safer and more secure that way. At a traditional bank, this would mean opening and maintaining multiple accounts, and of course more fees. With Bluevine, you get convenience. It's literally just a couple of clicks. Another big pro you get with Bluevine is the peace of mind. Your deposits are FDIC insured of up to $3 million. That's 12 times more than the standard $250,000 that you get at most other banks. For a small business owner, that's huge. Even if you're not holding millions in your account, just knowing that you have that extra coverage gives you a lot more confidence that your money is safe. Bluevine also helps your money grow. Right now, you can earn 1.5 APY interest on balances of up to $250,000. To qualify, you just need to either receive $2,500 a month in deposits or spend $500 on your business debit card, which for most businesses isn't hard to do. For a business checking account, that's a lot better than the 0% interest that I was getting at my old banks. And on top of that, the online dashboard is super clean and easy to use. And the mobile app is just as solid. Everything feels intuitive, and it doesn't take a lot of clicking around to get things done. Another pro is the customer support. A lot of online banks makes it nearly impossible to talk to a real person, but with Bluevine, I've always been able to reach someone when I needed help. You can get support by phone, email, or chat during business hours, and in my experience, the reps were actually knowledgeable and solved my issues pretty quickly. For me, that's a big deal because when it comes to your business money, you don't want it to be stuck waiting days for a response. Of course, no business bank is perfect, and Bluevine does have a couple of downsides you should know about. The first one is that Bluevine does not support Zelle. Before switching over, I was using Zelle often to pay contractors and vendors, so this was an adjustment for me. The good news is you can still send payments to anyone through free ACH transfers, but if you're used to using Zelle, it might feel like a downgrade. The second con, depositing cash isn't super convenient. You can deposit cash into your Bluevine account, but it comes with a fee. Usually it's $4.95 per deposit, or 0.5% of the total amount. Since my business is fully online and doesn't handle cash, this doesn't affect me at all. But if your business deals with cash deposits, this could be a deal breaker. So after a full year, here's my verdict. If you are an online business owner, freelancer, or a small business that doesn't deal with a lot of cash, I think Bluevine is one of the best options out there. You save money on fees, you can actually earn interest, and the whole experience is just way more convenient than traditional banks. If your business is cash heavy though, Bluevine probably isn't the best fit. Those deposit fees will add up quickly. Overall, for me, switching to Bluevine has been a really great experience, and it's the bank that I'll continue to use for my business. If you want to check it out yourself, I'll leave a direct link below. That link will directly take you straight to this landing page. Signing up is super easy. Once you're on this page, you can just click on Open Account. You can just choose your entity type, input your information, create your password, and then click on Get Started. And on this page, you would just need to fill out the information about your business. When you're done, just click on Next. And then you would just need to complete the information about yourself so they can verify your identity. When you're done, just click on Continue. And the last step is you just need to verify your phone number. So after you verify your number, you click on verify and continue, you'll be able to submit your application. And then you're done. The whole sign-up process is that simple, and you should get a response rather quickly. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below, and hope to see you in the next video.